News consumption is increasingly shifting from social media like Facebook to messaging applications like WhatsApp. The Reuters Institute report, which covers 37 countries and 5 continents, found that the use of social media for news fell by 6 percentage points in the United States compared to last year. Facebook suffered its worst public relations disaster in its history when a huge data privacy breach was revealed earlier this year. The scandal saw many users around the world opt to move away from Facebook and spend more time on other apps like WhatsApp and Instagram, which are also owned by Facebook. The 2018 Digital News Report found that WhatsApp is now used for news by around half of the sample in Malaysia at 54%, and Brazil 48%, and by around a third in Spain 36%, and Turkey 30%. The report says Instagram had also taken off in Asia and South America, while Snapchat progressed in Europe and the United States.